Hey, this is Han with TradeBot Secrets, and today we're going to talk about grid bots. Apex Omni has a grid bot that allows you to DCA your orders in and out, and allows you to apply and use and copy strategies that are already working. Let's go ahead and see what that's all about. Alright, in order to get to the grid bot, you want to go over to perp here and select grid bot. Now, once you're in, you'll be able to set the price range of this right here. So what you want to do is find out what the trading range is of this. So let's say it was trading kind of around here. So we're going to put the lower end about 100,000 and then the top range about 110,000. That's kind of what I have here already. And then you can select the number of grids. You say 25. You could either short bias it, so you could be in short position, or be long first before it starts to take order. Or if you're neutral, you don't care whether it goes long or short, it'll just do whichever it goes. So whichever hits first, it'll just start to take profit based on whatever gets filled first. You'll then be able to set the leverage right here. Once you set the leverage, you can say, hey, I only want to use like maybe 50% of my margin. You can set that, and that will be good to go. Once you're done, let's say there's some advanced options here, and say, hey, you know what, I actually don't want to get into this, and so it starts to drop into about 100,000. You can put that as your trigger price of 100,000, and then you can say, hey, once it hits 150,000, I want to take profit and close out everything. Or if it drops below, I don't know, maybe 85,000, we're gonna just take a loss and just move on with life. You can do that right there. Okay, now I also want to show you the GridBot leaderboard, where you can actually copy already proven working strategies. When you click on leaderboard, you click on GridBot ranking, you see that there's already other people who are using GridBot, and you can see that they're trading this coin here with this investment take with this range with 40 grids, and it's made over 260% so far with using this strategy. So you can just copy that, it'll port right over, and it'll fill in whatever it needs to fill, and it's a long position, and that is it. And you click create, and you start using this strategy just right out of the box. Okay, so that's pretty cool, right? So this is how you could use proven strategies that's already been proven, and you can see that this is it, right? So there it is. Use it, go make some money. Talk to you later.